Hi guys, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Today we're going to show you how to replace your sump filter and your line filter in your GR6 transmission. So it's pretty straightforward. You can do this in the car. First what you do is remove the rear under panel from the car, and then you will see what we're looking at here. This is the front of the trans, this is the back of the trans. First thing you want to do is empty the fluid, remove the drain plug, and then inside, which uses the same size hex key as this, there is a dipstick. Remove that as well. Drain all the fluid out. Take a 10mm socket, remove all the oil pan bolts, pull the oil pan out, and immediately you'll see the sump filter. It's a factory sump filter. It's very simple to remove. You just pull. That's it. It pops right out. Line filter is in this housing here. What you do for the line filter is you take a 36mm socket, zip it off, and you pull the line filter out. O-ring side goes in first, housing back on. One thing about these housings is they're very thin and they're very fragile. So you don't want to tighten it down too much because the next time somebody gets in there and tries to loosen it, the unit could shatter. So I'd recommend that you just put it in nice and snug, just check it by hand, and that's it. When it comes down to putting the new sump filter in, double check to make sure the orange seal is in the pump. Sometimes this will come out and stick to the filter. So just make sure that it's there and not here. Take your new filter, simply just press it on into place, make sure it's seated in the O-ring. Take your pan. You can reuse the old gasket a couple times, but we're going to include kits that will include a new gasket, so just stick a new gasket on if you have it. Pop the pan on. Stick your bolts back in, and you're done. Just fill it with fluid, you're good to go. And let's see. I guess visit us on DCT Owners Group on Facebook. We also have email. Just shoot us an email at sales@jackstransmissions.com if you have any questions, or visit us on our website, jackstransmissions.com. Thanks.